In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image a button in Carrd. This is a simple yet effective way to add functionality to your website while keeping it visually engaging. Let's dive right into the steps to transform your image into an interactive button. First, we'll begin by opening the Carrd editor. Carrd is a fantastic tool for creating one-page websites, and getting familiar with its editor is key to making the most out of it. Simply log into your Carrd account and navigate to the editor interface where you typically design your site. If you're doing this for the first time, you'll find it refreshingly intuitive. Once you have the editor open, you'll want to add a new element to your page. Look for the plus sign, which allows you to add different elements. Click on the plus sign and select image from the drop-down menu. This will add a placeholder for the image you're going to use as a button. Next, it's time to upload or select your desired image. If you already have an image in mind, you can upload it from your files. Alternatively, if you're using stock images, Carrd provides options that you can choose from. The key here is to select an image that not only looks good but serves the purpose you intend for your button. After selecting your image, you may need to crop it to fit the aesthetic of your web page. Carrd allows you to crop the image right within the editor, adjust the crop frame according to how you want the image to appear, and then click on Accept to apply the changes. Cropping ensures your image retains focus and looks good on all devices. Now, let's bring the image to life by adding a link. Use the link URL field to paste a link to an external website or a specific page you want visitors to go to when they click this image. Make sure the link is correct and active, as this will be the destination your audience is taken to. If you're curious about the types of URLs you can use, click on Allowed URL Types. This will give you an overview and assure that your link choice is compliant with Carrd's system. To make your button stand out, navigate to the Appearance tab where you can customize how the image looks on your page. Here, you can adjust settings like size, border, and shadow to match your site's design aesthetics. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your image button, click Done. With everything set up, the final step is to publish your site. By clicking Publish, your image button becomes live, allowing your website visitors to interact with it effortlessly. And there you have it. With these steps, your image is now more than just a visual element. It's an interactive part of your site. Thank you for watching and happy designing.